Struggling to find the perfect multimeter can be a real challenge. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the range of features and specifications can be overwhelming. You need accurate measurements, reliability, and ease of use, but finding a multimeter that hits all these marks isn't always straightforward. We've thoroughly researched and tested a wide array of models to bring you the top 5 best multimeters. Stick around to find out which multimeters stand out from the rest. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. AstroAI Multimeter. The AstroAI digital multimeter is a top-tier choice for those seeking a reliable and versatile tool for electrical measurements. This multimeter excels in providing accurate readings for a wide array of parameters, including AC/DC current and voltage, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, resistance, diode, continuity, and temperature. Its broad functionality makes it an excellent option for both automotive and household electrical diagnostics. The design of this multimeter prioritizes user convenience with features such as a large backlit LCD screen for clear visibility in various lighting conditions. It also includes practical elements like data hold, auto shutoff, and a kickstand, all of which enhance ease of use. Safety is a significant strength of this multimeter. It is equipped with double ceramic fuses that protect against overloading, contributing to the device's reliability. The explosion-proof ceramic fuses, F400mA 600 volts and F10 amps 600 volts, are designed to handle high currents and voltages, ensuring robust performance and added security. With dimensions of 8.66 by 2.28 by 6.69 inches and a weight of 1.01 pounds, the multimeter is compact yet durable. It operates on a 9-volt battery, which is not included in the purchase. The device comes with essential accessories, such as test leads, a multifunction socket, and a user manual. In summary, the AstroAI digital multimeter stands out for its accuracy, user-friendly features, and safety. Its combination of these attributes makes it a top choice among multimeters, suitable for both professional and personal electrical work. Number 4. Hioki 3030 10. Hioki 3030 10 multimeter is an exceptional tool for precise electrical measurements, including voltage, resistance, and current. Its average sensing feature ensures accurate readings for linear loads where the current or voltage waveform remains undistorted, making it a dependable choice for detailed electrical diagnostics. The multimeter's design prioritizes accuracy and reliability, making it suitable for a range of testing applications. One of its standout features is the integrated battery tester, which simplifies the process of checking the charge level of 1.5-volt batteries. This functionality is particularly beneficial for maintaining battery-operated devices, offering a convenient method to assess battery health and prevent unexpected power failures. This feature enhances the multimeter's versatility, making it useful for both professional technicians and DIY enthusiasts. The multimeter comes with several accessories that expand its capabilities, including a USB printing cable, alligator clip short test cable, and a K-type thermocouple. These accessories make it well equipped for diverse testing needs, from detailed measurements to temperature readings. The durable design, with dimensions of 13 by 5 by 11 inches and a weight of 22 pounds, ensures that it remains reliable and robust during extended use. Measuring 6.2 by 6.1 by 2.3 inches and weighing just 5.29 ounces, this multimeter is compact and lightweight, enhancing its portability and ease of use. In summary, the Hioki 3030 10 analog multimeter combines essential measurement capabilities with practical features like battery testing and temperature measurement. Its adherence to safety standards, compact design, and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for both professional and personal use, offering reliable performance and versatility for a variety of electrical tasks. Number 3. Klein Tools MM720. Klein Tools MM720 multimeter stands out for its comprehensive range of features, making it a top choice for precise electrical measurements. It measures AC, DC voltage up to 1000 volts, AC/DC current up to 10 amps, and resistance up to 60 megaohms, ensuring it covers a broad spectrum of electrical diagnostics. In addition to these core functions, it offers continuity testing, temperature measurement, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle analysis, diode testing, and a low impedance (LOZ) mode, which is crucial for identifying and eliminating ghost or stray voltages. A key feature of this multimeter is its low impedance mode, which enhances its ability to provide accurate readings by removing unwanted voltages that could otherwise lead to false measurements. The device's large reverse contrast LCD improves visibility, ensuring clear readings in all lighting conditions, which is essential for precise work. For accuracy, The multimeter is equipped with auto-ranging and true root mean squared (TRMs) technology. These features ensure that users get precise and reliable measurements, regardless of the electrical parameters being tested. Durability is another strong point of this multimeter. It is rated CAT4 600 volts and IP42, indicating its ability to withstand a 6.6-foot 2 meters drop and making it suitable for demanding environments. Whether used in facilities, HVAC systems, residential settings, automotive work, or industrial applications, this multimeter is designed to handle tough conditions. In summary, the Klein Tools MM720 multimeter is distinguished by its extensive measurement capabilities, advanced accuracy features, and robust construction. Its combination of versatile functions, durability, and user-friendly design makes it a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking a reliable tool for a wide range of electrical tasks. Number 2. UNI-T UT885E. The UNI-T UT885E multimeter is a top-tier tool renowned for its high performance and versatility in electrical measurements. This advanced multimeter features a 3.8-digit display with auto-ranging and true RMS functionality, offering a resolution of 5,999 counts and an impressive accuracy of 0.03%. These specifications ensure precise and reliable results for various electrical testing applications. Designed to handle a broad spectrum of measurements, this multimeter can accurately gauge AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, resistance, frequency, capacitance, temperature, inductance, triode, HFE, diode, LED, and thyristor (SCR). It also includes functionality for extreme value and reference value operations with an analog bar, providing additional versatility. The multimeter comes with a comprehensive set of accessories that enhance its functionality. Included are a USB printing cable for data output, an alligator clip short test cable, multimeter test leads, a K-type thermocouple for temperature measurements, an adapter socket, and a power cord. Measuring 13 by 5 by 11 inches and weighing 22 pounds, this corded electric multimeter ensures reliable power for extended use. Manufactured in China, the UT885E multimeter delivers high precision, functionality, and automation. It stands out as an excellent investment for those requiring a premier tool for accurate and efficient electrical testing. In conclusion, the UNI-T UT885E multimeter is a standout choice for anyone seeking a high-performance and versatile tool for electrical measurements. Its advanced features, including a 3.8-digit display with true RMS functionality, auto-ranging capability, and a resolution of 5,999 counts with 0.03% accuracy, ensure precise and reliable performance across a wide range of applications. Number 1. Fluke 117. The Fluke 117 multimeter stands out as one of the best multimeters available, offering exceptional performance and reliability for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This advanced model features Volt Alert technology, which enables non-contact voltage detection, enhancing user safety by allowing for the detection of live circuits without direct contact. One of its standout features is AutoVolt technology, which automatically selects between AC and DC voltage measurements, providing versatility for various tasks. Additionally, it offers a DC millivolt range up to 600.0 millivolts with a resolution of 0.1 millivolts, ensuring precise measurements for detailed electrical work. The large white LED backlight is particularly useful, allowing users to work comfortably in poorly lit conditions. With true RMS capability, this multimeter provides accurate measurements even with non-linear loads, making it ideal for a wide range of electrical applications. The multimeter's low input impedance helps prevent false readings caused by ghost voltage, delivering more accurate results. Weighing 550 grams and measuring 12.99 by 11.02 by 5.91 inches, this multimeter is both portable and durable. It offers a measurement accuracy of ±0.5%. Ensuring reliable performance. With a 3-year warranty, it stands out as an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable and feature-rich multimeter for accurate electrical testing. In conclusion, the Fluke 117 multimeter excels as a top choice for anyone needing a reliable and versatile tool for electrical measurements. Its advanced features, such as Volt Alert technology for non-contact voltage detection and AutoVolt automatic AC/DC voltage selection, offer both safety and convenience. In the quest for the best multimeter, Our detailed review has highlighted 5 standout models, each offering unique strengths to meet diverse electrical measurement needs. The AstroAI Digital Multimeter excels with its versatile functionality and user-friendly features, making it ideal for both automotive and household diagnostics. The Hioki impresses with its precision and battery testing capabilities, perfect for detailed electrical work. The Klein Tools Multimeter stands out for its broad measurement range and robust construction, suitable for various professional and industrial applications. The UNI-T multimeter offers high performance and advanced features, making it a top choice for those needing precision and versatility. Finally, the Fluke 117 is renowned for its exceptional reliability, safety features, and ease of use, making it an excellent option for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.